the F-35 is a pretty capable platform. It's like a Swiss Army knife, so could do a lot of roles, some better than others. Like either look at the air picture, take care of that if it needs to. Obviously, could do some air to surface, and then like sea capabilities as well, looking for enemy surface to air threats and trying to take care of those, neutralize on those. For other platforms or like inserting Marines on the ground. Yeah, I think that's the whole point of like all these exercises with like all the joint nations, just being able to work together, see what we can like pick out and either improve or see what works well. So that's what we're going to see here for the next couple of weeks, just trying to work with the other nations. Obviously, you can talk very well with other F-35s, and then we're able to, like you say, bring in a lot of like information and try to disseminate that to other players best we can in order to help support the bigger picture. It's definitely humbling. It's an enjoyable experience. Love what we do. We train hard. This way we can fight hard if we have to. Yeah, I mean, it's a good feeling knowing that like we're hopefully preventing something from happening.